like it's M50 big. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, it's your girl Tina Faye. I'm a YouTuber based in Belgium. If you don't know, you know now. So today's video I'm going to be talking about tech. So I got a new camera and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys the settings I'm going to be using to film a video. So basically I'm using my camera, my phone camera, to film this video right now. Yes, I'll be using my phone camera in all my videos, although I have a camera, but I don't just like using it because it doesn't give me the exact settings I want to make a YouTube video with it. So I just like keep it, and I think I'm going to end up selling it, or better still give it to somebody that actually needs a camera. So this was my old camera. It's a PowerShot, it's a Canon PowerShot XX420, and it has only Wi-Fi, and it's actually a good camera. You can take a good pictures with it, but to do video, nah. So I just decided to like save some money and invest on a new camera, something that I can use for a long period of time. That is why I got this camera. So this camera, I've heard so many nice things about it. Functions about the camera is actually perfect. So I'm going to like show you guys the camera. I'll tell you guys where I also bought it. Okay, a Netherlands company that is just like media man. They sell electronic for home, and even TV, even they sell a whole lot of things, laptop, cameras, TV. And maybe I bought a cooking robot from there, things. And it also has like also a service center where you have issues with your products, you can go there. So this is the company I bought my camera. It's called Coolblue. Let's say I ordered it yesterday and it came in today. Like, it's so fast. It's just like one day delivery from Netherlands. So it's so fast, and I basically opened it because I wanted to be sure about the product that was inside the box. So I'm going to like show you guys. So this is the camera. So this is the camera, guys. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited about this camera. Like, this is the Canon. It's Canon EOS M50 beige. Like, it's M50 beige. I have so many. I got the black one because I love black. I'm black, so I love black. So I got the black one, and this camera is amazing. I'm gonna like show you guys everything that's inside. Let's change the camera settings. Canon EOS M50. It's M50. So basically, this is where it's inside. As you can see from the box, it has the manual. I'm going to like show you guys the compartment that is inside the camera. So it came here with a battery. It's the battery. But here I also have the lens that I buy the body and the lens together. So this is the lens that comes with the Canon. It's a Canon lens, Canon lens 15 by 45 image stabilizer. It came in with a chargeable port where you charge the camera here in through here, and then just plug it in and plug into your sockets. So guys, this is the camera. This is the body of the camera. It has a HDMI port, and also has a microphone port. As you can see, you can add an external microphone to it, and here you have the flash, and you can also put an external dinging on it, like lighting or mic, whatever you want to put on it. And here is the flash camera. It's the flip camera. So here it is. You can flip it, you can turn it however you want it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to like add the battery. Here is the port for the battery. So I've added the battery. So that is in, then close it. It's on, so off. So this is the off and on button. This button here, these are the settings of whatever picture or video, kind of video you want to make, or pictures that you want to make. This is the remote the shooting button if you want to make a video, and this is for pictures if you want to take a picture. So here you have the functions of this is the menu and the functions if you want some info about the camera or whatever settings you want to do, you can do that. This is the aperture and the manual aperture or something like that. I'm not a tech, I'm not a guru about this, but I just love. Then here, this button right here, you can check your videos or pictures. Do it like this. So here you have, this is the Canon. So we are going to add the lens to the Canon, because without the lens it will not work. So I'm just going to screw this open. So you just have to open this. Normally you're just going to hold this port, then screw it in, and there we go. It says you have to hold this button right here. You have to hold it, push it upward, then twist it. So when you do that, it actually shows you your Canon. So let's say I want to focus on this lipstick right here, so I can actually focus on it. You can see, if I zoom it in, it's already focused. Then every other part of the background is blurry. So I'm not going to do a video. So I'm going to show you guys the settings I'm going to be using for this camera. Basically, this is how the camera will look like when you turn on your camera. It's on guided, or you can put it on standards. So because I already know how to use it, I'm just going to put it on standard. What you have to do, and also mention that this camera is a touchscreen. No, you have to go to this. You have to go to display level and settings. Then you have to press OK. When you press OK, you can see guided. This menu display guided. You can always put it on standard, because that is more easier for you to work with background or something like that. So what you have to do for your shooting, shows you your shooting mode. What you have to do, your shooting mode, if you want to make a video, you can shoot it on normal video, or you can expand it to you can make too many things on it, your aperture, your speed, shutters and stuff like that. What you have to do, if you say you don't want that, you can always make a video like this, or better still, you can go to your movie record quality. When you go to your movie record quality, just click on it. So when you want to make a slow motion video, you can do on the high frame rates and just enable it. That is when you want to make a slow motion, which is not so really nice. But if you want to make your normal video, you can just disable this, then just go to movie records size. Then you can go to 4K, which I'm not going to use, or you can go to 25K, 25p or 50p HDP, or FHD 50p. I'm going to use FHD 50p because I like using that. Then just go back, because I just prefer to keep it on 0 because I have a lot of lights. Then you go to your picture style, which is very important. Before you go to your picture style, you have to go to your white balance. Your white balance should either be, so that's ambiance purity, or better still, you can go to daylight or shade, cloudy. There are different kinds of lights that you can customize, but I prefer auto, because I have enough light in my room, so I just use that. Then I said okay. Then I go to picture style. This picture style, you can do whatever picture style you want, but try as much as possible when you're creating your picture style, you don't overshadow yourself and don't make it red. So better still, I use this auto picture style, and I just go to details. Then this is the strength stays in 4, the contrast stays the same, so saturation stays the same, the color tone stays the same. So I just go on menu, and once you're done with all those things, this is just basically it. And I'm going to change it because I prefer it to be on 60. So that is all. That is just how I film. I'm going to be using this camera. So if I want to take a picture, I'm going to turn this to, you can always change the picture settings and what kind of picture you want. There are so many things, so many to choose from. So I'm going to put it on manual exposure. so which is okay. So if I want to take a picture, I like this product picture, I'm just going to like do that. So when you do that, you can see how nice this picture is. It's so pretty. How I create the settings for my camera, and that is just basically things that you need to know about this Canon EOS. A little bit, if I need to tell you guys more about this Canon camera, I'm going to like make another video of it, but this is just how this is the unboxing and just telling you guys the basic setting of using this Canon camera. So in this video I learned something from this new Canon. I really love the way this Canon is, and it's very handy. It has a very good grip. If I'm vlogging, just like hold it like this and just vlog my life out, you know. So I absolutely love the way this Canon feels, and I love the way it looks, and I'm so impressed about how everything is just inbuilt. I'm not going to be like spend money on buying extra lenses right now, because lenses are actually expensive. So I'm just going to like do with what I have. You need to know about a Canon and what settings you like to use, and just let me know in the comment section, and I'll gladly answer any questions that you guys have about this camera or any kind of camera, because you know I'm a pro in everything I do. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more and keep on watching. Bye.